Hi everyone, I'm Alexandra Jane, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing a online dance studio, online dance class app called Steezy. So I found Steezy today while I was doing a Google search trying to find cardio hit dance classes. And I found that there aren't that many content creators that have a full series or that have more than 5 classes online. I didn't look that hard, but Steezy seems to have a full library. So let's look at what they offer together. This is absolutely not sponsored. I have never been sponsored before in a video, but maybe one day. So I'll zoom into my computer screen. Okay, so I typed in Steezy, and what I see is Steezy Studio dance classes at your own pace, online dance classes. And what they have, which I really like, is one free class a day. So during the virus and while everyone's in quarantine, what they're doing is offering one free class a day. So for example, today's class, Saturday, April 4th, is Bop Da Baby. It's urban dance. It's an hour and 21 minutes long. So this is the free class for today. I'll just play a tiny bit to show you what it's like. So it's an hour and 21 minutes long. They go through the whole tutorial of how to do the dance, and then at the end, yeah, so the classes look pretty fun. So there's one free class a day, or you can start a 7-day free trial. Then you have to create your account, and they have 2 prices. They have the month price or the 1-year price. So once the 7 days are up, you can either get a monthly membership, which is $19.99, or you can get the yearly one, which is $99 for the whole year. So I'm not really sure whether it's worth it. It seems like a lot to be paying $100 a year for dance classes, unless that's really what you want to be doing. But we'll see. I'll let you know at the end of this whether it's worth it. So when you go to the home page, you have 7 days of Steezy, and this is just to learn all of the simple things. Learn to move on beat, weight shifts, basic steps, musicality, blah, blah, blah. I don't think I'm gonna do that. Maybe I'll regret it. The welcome guide, the featured classes, introduction to dance. It looks like he's flying he looks like Dumbo taking flight. Okay. All of the instructors, the top classes picked for you. So I'll update my dance preferences to be recommended some. Okay, so now there's the top classes picked for me. So then there's different options. You can do choreography to a specific song, moves, 1 move plus variations, skills, dance technique training, follow along, just watch and dance, or tips. So today I want to do a full routine. Okay, so I'm going to do Castillo Jungle by Kristen Santiago. I've never heard this song before, but I kind of like it. So this looks pretty cool. So what are the functionalities? You can mute it, go back 15 seconds, forward, switch views, so you can also view it from the back, which is pretty cool. Mirror. Oh, cool. So you can have them mirror you or not. Looping mode, I don't know. Speed, you can do it faster, slower based on your skills. And you can show yourself. That's cool. Okay, hide webcam, keyboard, blah, 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 quality, full screen, and you can see the sections. Cool. Okay, so this is a basic website overview, and I'm just gonna get right into the dancing. Let's see how I do. So to be honest, the beginner level looks pretty easy. So I'm just gonna see what the intermediate looks like and then decide which dance I wanna do. I'm gonna do another one. I'm going to do Wild Thoughts, and the choreographer is David Slaney, and this will definitely be, so this is an intermediate level, and let's hope I can handle it. The whole routine is 45 minutes. Well, learning how to do it. Learning how to do the routine and then doing the routine is 45 minutes.
1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so I am back. I have just learned the whole routine. Well, tried to. So basically, I ended up spending about an hour and 15 instead of 45 minutes on the video trying to learn it. It was a lot of fun. I got my heart rate going. I wouldn't say it's like a whole huge cardio workout, but I'm dancing. I'm on my feet for an hour, so this is like perfect for during quarantine. And I'll show you guys the final routine. I'm having trouble memorizing it, but maybe by the end of the week I'll be really good at memorizing choreography. So we'll go on this little journey together. And here is the choreography. I'll obviously change the music though. Unfortunately, you can't hear it, but it's Rihanna.
Yo no sé si fue algo más que el placer, si me amaste alguna vez, o si fuiste mi mujer. Por lo que yo he visto y lo que te gusta, amor de tu vida yo no voy a hacer. Dame una noche, te voy a demostrar que soy el pecado que amas con mi chica. Y si tú quisieras una sola vez.
There you go. So this was me doing day 1, and I definitely want to keep doing this. It's so much fun. And I haven't danced since I was in high school, so I'm gonna get back into it. Hello YouTube people, it is day 2, and today I learned an easier dance. It's still apparently intermediate, but I bet it's kind of like beginner intermediate. It's to Lizzo, Truth Hurts. It took me about 35-40 minutes to learn, and I think I've got it down better than yesterday, so let's see if that's true. Okay, let's see how it goes. Woohoo! It's so much fun to learn a dance, and also it just like occupies you for a long time. So if you're looking for something to do, this just seems great. This will be my 3rd routine with Steezy Studio, and I am going to follow David Slaney's routine to New Rules by Dua Lipa, which is one I've been wanting to do for a while. Well, since I started. So let's get into it. Hello and welcome to day 4 with Steezy. Today I am going to do a follow along instead of a routine. So a follow along, it says just dance and watch, and we'll see what that entails. It's a 20-minute long video, and I feel like maybe this is gonna get my heart rate up more than just doing a routine. So let's see how it goes. Ooh, this one is called Dance Like Beyonce, and the choreographer is Harley Ramirez. I did her dance before. I can't remember if it was to Lizzo. No, it wasn't. I don't remember, but she's a good choreographer, so let's see what she has in store for me. So I just finished that 20-minute video. I don't understand really what's different between that video and a routines video. I guess that they were calling it grooves instead of like 8 counts, and then we did those grooves to different Beyonce songs. It was fun. She's a great choreographer, and it was a beginner level, so maybe that's also why it wasn't super cardio, but it was still nice. And I'll see you soon. I am going to follow a 3-minute stretch and warm up with David Slaney. I followed one of his routines already, and he's the guy that's he does a lot of those heel choreographies, so he seems like a pretty cool choreographer, and it's awesome that they have him on this platform. And let's get right into the stretch and warm up. Stretch and warm up done. It's pretty good. I mean, it's 3 minutes, so it's good for what you can get done in 3 minutes. And I think if you wanted to do a stretch warm up before a dance class, it would be a good option. From what I saw, there's about 7 stretch videos, and most of them are longer than 3 minutes, so there were options available. And the next time I see you might be for the full review. So now I will be providing a review of the Steezy dance app. I'll start by going over what I thought about the functionality and usability of the app. I thought it was really easy to use and I thought that it was very easy to use and sort through the videos based on the difficulty level, whether you wanted to do a routine, a follow along, or a workout. So I thought that it was very easy to use. I also thought that it was easy to follow along with the videos. They offered the views from the front and the back, and you could choose your speed. So for example, if you were having trouble learning something, you could watch it at a slower speed and then go over it again that way. The second question I will answer is, who is this app for? I would say that this app is for anyone that wants to learn to dance, no matter what your level is. Is a wide range between the beginner to the advanced level. For me, for example, most of the beginner videos were a little bit too easy, but at the same time, I would be able to get through them faster. So if I wanted to get through the video without having to take my time to learn the routine, then I could do the beginner ones, and the advanced ones I couldn't even try. They were so hard. And then about half of the intermediate ones I could do, the other half were too hard. So there's a wide range of levels, and I also really felt like I was in a dance class. It reminded me of back when I used to take dance classes, so I think it was really well filmed, and since the instructors are so knowledgeable and they're choreographers professionally, I think it really gave a professional feel to the app and the dance classes. Third question, is this a good workout? My answer to that is yes and no. It's not exactly a calorie torture. You're not going through a bunch of moves. It's not a HIIT exercise, but it's keeping you on your feet. And some of the videos I did for over an hour long, and I was entertained throughout the whole hour. So an hour on your feet is really great compared to an hour not on your feet. So it is somewhat of a good workout, but it's not the best workout if that's what you're looking for. Fourth question, is this workout apartment friendly? Not really, depending on the sound isolation that you have. I live in an apartment, but I think that there's pretty good sound isolation. So even if I'm stomping on the floor, it's totally fine. No one's gonna hear it, but you are jumping around a lot and stomping, so maybe not the most apartment friendly. Question number 5, would I recommend these videos? Absolutely. They were so much fun, and it really gave you the professional feel of a dance class. So for anyone that's out there that wants to learn how to dance, or maybe just because of all this quarantine stuff, you're kind of bored and you want an activity that's going to take up a long time, well, this will definitely keep you entertained. At least it did for me. So that's all for me for the review of the Steezy dance app. If you have any questions, of course you can ask, and if there's another app that you would like me to review, then let me know. If you liked the video, then you can give it a thumbs up, and of course you can subscribe and put something in the comments if you have questions, or if you just want to chat, or you can reach out to me personally. So I will see you in one of my next videos. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.